If you've ever struggled with images looking too big, too small, or stretched out in Canva, this guide is for you. Today I'll show you exactly how to resize images in Canva in the simplest way possible. Start by logging into your Canva account and opening up a project. You can pick something you've already been working on or create a brand new canvas and upload an image from your device. Once your design is open, click directly on the image you want to adjust. The moment you do, you'll notice a box appear around it with little handles on the corners and sides. Those handles are the key to resizing. To make the image bigger or smaller, just drag one of the corner handles in or out. If you want to keep the proportions looking natural, hold down the Shift key as you drag. This keeps the image from warping or stretching in awkward ways. Need it to fit perfectly in a layout? Canva has built-in guides and grid lines that pop up as you move things around, making alignment much easier. When the image is the right size and position, step back and take a quick look at the whole design. A balanced layout always makes your project more professional. And that's it. In less than a minute, you can resize images in Canva with no stress.